Okay.
Show me my face. My face. My face. My face sheet.
Okay. 21 seconds.
No, more than, more than.
More. Good. Yes.
More than.
Maybe have gold inside, ah?
Hmm?
Maybe have gold inside.
Luto rin yan, chef.
Pwede. Bituka din eh. Parang bituka. Ay, ano, pilya. Ano eh? Taba ba? Kahit di na siguro. Taba na yun.
Sorry. Move. Yan. Luto yan. It was first. Give me this one. Wait, Jim, no stop, huh?
No stop? Okay? Durog ang laman. Okay.
Big plate.
Yes, 2 minutes already. 2 minutes. Enough?
No, more than.
Oh, 1 hour already.
Mat. Sabi natin. Mat. Koy. Show me yan. Cut here, Jim.
Must be here first.
Yeah.
No. This side, and then cut, take out. Yeah, remove this. No. Oh, okay.
Coming video only coming?
Yeah.
Start video?
Still. Yeah, stop first.
No.
Still video.
Yeah, still video.
No need to stop.
No, stop.
Okay.
I cut up
4 minutes already.
that.
No, like that. Only this side coming this, and then take out this
This one, na?
meat. No need not. It's very difficult.
So,
Yeah. Ikaw, oh,
how is that? Yeah?
di niya maalam yung parang magdaing ba? Like you make
How I cut?
this fry out this, or you call this bulad, no?
How I cut? Tell me na. This is cut?
Yeah, very easy to cut if this stick out already, and then coming like that, and then that time we cut. Yeah, like that. Like you make some dry fish, no? No. You can take out there.
Cut this side?
No. This side only. Yeah. You make like that. Yeah, like that. then slide like that. Yes. Yeah, like that. Until the see, like that. Yeah. Then slowly open this, and then after that, the remaining is in the bone. It's very easy to cut. Op, dong kaligo siya dong, kaligo. Careful your hand, ha? Yeah, like that only. Oh, yan, pwede na. Parang di na bumalik. Maybe your knife not so much. All this. Yeah, like that until the stomach. Easy to cut. All. So that the remaining is in the bone and half of this fish.
लग रहा है मैं कुछ
Yeah.
बहुत बड़ा चीज काट रहा हूँ फिल्म क्या चीज है
Yeah. Yeah, you can all slide already like that so that will be take out. Okay. Almost finished. Almost finished. Can cut already. Hey.
no stop
Huh?
no stop button.
No stop.
No this button click
I stop.
so the see
Okay.
stop
Stop. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Enough. Take out this and then you can slice. Yes. See, good meat, huh? No need bone. Oh, yes, easy to cut like that. This meat already.
see very big size yeah
Oh, yes.
now this side
Same style.
Di pa luto, chef. Ha? Di pa naluto.
Same style before.
Yung ulo, banata natin.
Okay. Same style before. Yeah. Easy. After that, the remaining is in the bone, in the middle, and then it's very easy to take out. If you want like that also, okay, no problem. Yes. But the meat is now coming broken.
Lahat ng chef na? Ito?
Chef, tawag ka na chef, kamonan. Tungol.
Oh,
Steak by steak. Large. Kamonan pala, ano po, kamonan. Iba din yung, ano yan.
Ay, pare ko?
Pero, ano na, kahit, sa inyo, kung itapon na, itapon niya na rin, tapon na. Ito yun na yan. Wala na siguro, ano? So, ano yun, lagayan naman. Kaya sa manok, pupunta ko dito sa ano, sa una. Tapos pupunta doon sa